Welcome to ATP. If you are in the market to purchase a new or used Toyota vehicle, be it for your family or for business, stop by and visit Toyota Talisay Cebu. No, this is not a paid advertisement, just a very satisfied customer purchasing a vehicle from a great business. I recently purchased my 2023 Toyota Zenix V CVT from this dealership and was more than impressed with the way they made me feel like family and introduced me to the entire Toyota team. Toyota Talisay Cebu is one of the most popular Toyota dealers in Cebu City. This dealership is a one-stop shop where you find friendly and courteous sales staff, state-of-the-art maintenance department, parts department, paint and body shop, and a certified pre-owned car department. Additionally, they can assist in your auto insurance needs. Stop in and see Mike at Talisay Toyota Cebu, and he'll make sure you find what it is you are looking for, whether it's the Toyota Zenix or another excellent product. Toyota certainly has something to fit your needs. Thanks, Mike and Toyota team, for helping me get my Zenix key. If you have found value in this video, a big thumb up is appreciated. Stay safe and have a great day.